Guys, this is Cubers Online. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Copia Products 5-in-1 multi-speaker. It's a flashlight, a speaker, a power bank, and it has a micro SD thing, so it can also be kind of like a radio for a micro SD card. So let's get right into the unboxing. This was given to me by my friend for my birthday, and I thought, hey, I'll just unbox it on my channel. So let's get right into it. So getting into the package, looks like we've got a charging cord and then the multi-speaker itself. So let's get some of the packaging out of the way. So we've got, it looks like a flashlight, and I mean it is of course a flashlight. You push this flashlight button right here and it turns on the flashlight, and if you take this cap off, which it shows right here how to do it, you kind of tilt it and then pop it off, and this is the flashlight. And if you take it off, then you'll notice it has a USB and a micro SD. So the USB is for either charging the device or a power bank, so you can plug your phone into it and charge it. And in a little bit I'm going to be using it on my Chromebook to show you guys how well it works. So this button turns it on, and when you turn it on, it'll give you a voice thing. It'll talk to you telling you to turn Bluetooth on. If you have a device plugged into it, you can't just plug it in and it'll charge it. You have to hit the flashlight button, and you'll see that this green thing kind of represents that it's in use. Unless if it's connected to a Bluetooth device, then it will be blue. And so you plug your phone into it, and then you turn this on and it charges it. See, there's no flashlight because the flashlight's not plugged in, but you can plug it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my Chromebook up here so we can test out the USB features. Okay, so I've got my Chromebook up here, and I'm gonna open a white noise app so that we can test out some of the noises. So to turn it on, you're going to hit this button right here.
Enter to Bluetooth.
And then it'll talk to you so you can connect it.
Bluetooth connected.
So I'm connected to my Chromebook now. So I'm going to, so if you hold down this up volume, you'll notice, you have this more onto it, you'll notice down there in that corner, and then it makes sounds, I guess, if you turn the volume either all the way up or all the way down. I guess not. So turning the volume back up a little bit, and also the power button can act as a call button, so if you're getting a call, you can just answer the call, or that could decline the call. So now let's test out a sound. So let's try this coffee shop one. So this one, it's got a coffee, that is like a coffee shop, so there will be a lot of noise. So I mean, if you want to practice for like a WCA competition, you can. So turning the volume up a bit so you guys can hear it. Okay, so this does work, and now let's test out the charging feature. So I've got a charging cord here, and the handy thing about newer Chromebooks is that you can, this isn't actually the cord that came with my Chromebook. This is a cord that is for a Samsung Galaxy S8, and it plugs right in. So if you're on a car trip, you don't need to get an adapter to plug it in. So let's plug it right in. I'll probably turn off the Bluetooth on my device. Okay, so you pop off the flashlight and you plug it in to the device, and you'll notice it's not charging, because if it was charging, it would pop up right in this corner. So you turn on the flashlight and wait for it. It should say, there it does, right there, low. You can't really read it probably, and you probably still won't be able to read it if I zoom in. Yeah, Even if I turn, oh, yeah, you can't read it, but it says low power charger connected. Your Chromebook may not charge while it's turned on. So it's charging a little bit. My thing is actually about to die. So I'm going to get this out of the way. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really enjoyed this unboxing. I really enjoyed unboxing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. So if you want to get one of these, I'll leave a link in the description below to where you can find one, probably on Amazon or something. So I'll see you guys next time. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!